Today I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop Mix to put your mural onto a brick wall. So you're going to open Photoshop Mix. It looks like the two circles that are overlapped. Unless you created your mural in Photoshop Mix, you'll need to go to your camera roll to get the artwork. So I'm going to go to this plus sign on the left, and I'm going to go to Image and then Get My Mural from the camera roll. Now you are going to hit that plus sign that's in the white circle, and you are going to add a color layer. The color layer that you're going to add will be white, and it should already be white when you open it. I know that because my slider's pushed all the way to the right, and so it should already be set white. You hit done, and you are going to move this layer by just touching it and moving it down. You're going to move it to the back of your mural. Now you're ready to bring in your brick wall. Again, you're going to hit the plus sign on the right, and you are going to bring in an image layer. So it's the first option. I'm going to grab my wall, and this one is very small compared to my artwork, but for this example, we're going to make it work. So I filled my page with the brick wall. Then I'm going to tap the brick wall again, and I'm going to go to blend mode. Right now it's set at normal. I am going to go to multiply. Now you don't always have to go to multiply. Some blending modes will look better or worse depending on the color of your wall. So this wall is white. This looks pretty good using multiply, but you can always go through the options and see which one you like best. I'm just going to stick, I kind of like multiply. Soft light is nice too. I actually like soft light. Normally you would pick overlay or multiply, try one of those first, and then go through the list and see which one you think looks most realistic. Then you're going to tap off, and there you have your mural on a brick wall. If you have another color of brick, you might have to play with the opacity and make it lighter. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to save this to my camera roll. I'm going to go to this square with the arrow pointing up. I'm going to send to camera roll and click OK. This is what I will be submitting for my Power of Murals assignment.